You can use the Morning app to create a customized recipe for your next brew. Let's create a sample recipe together. Start by clicking the Brew tab at the bottom right of the app. Tap on brew temperature and slide it to 92 degrees Celsius. Tap and slide on the outer ring to set your desired brew volume to 30 grams. Tap on Custom Coffee Flow. Enable Bloom and Brew and set bloom time to 5 seconds. Tap the pressure curve to create your pressure profile. Adjust the pressure for the pre-infusion phase, indicated by the blue line, to P3. Adjust the pressure for the brew and hold phase, indicated by the orange line, to P6. Adjust the pressure for the drawdown phase, indicated by the black line, to P2, and the coffee output for the brew and hold phase to 20 grams. Select Apply to return to the brew page. Click on the Save tab at the bottom right and enter the desired name for the recipe. Once you are done typing, click Save. Now that you have saved your brew recipe, you can access it here at the Recipes tab on the home page. If you would like to save and upload your recipe to your machine, tap on the 3 dots found beside your recipe and choose Save to Machine. If your machine list is full, you can replace an existing recipe using the drag and drop method. Tap on the Machine tab and swipe up till you find your recipe at the bottom. Choose your recipe, then drag and drop into the area above where the 10 machine recipes are stored.